Introducing our brand new CYL Cylinders. This is an exciting new product category for CSC LED. We're thrilled about this versatile, sleek architectural product. Packaged in a beautiful full-color bilingual carton, this fixture will look great in your showroom. Available in a black or white powder coat finish, these fixtures are power and color selectable with 4 beam angle options. There are no additional accessories required. It is simply a twist and lock mechanism. There are 4 adjustable beam angles: 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, and 60 degree. Surface mount straight from the box or purchase the optional pendant mount to complete your look. With 3 power and 4 color options per fixture, this gives you a total of 24 power and color combinations. These fixtures also have a 120/347 volt universal driver. Interested in learning more? Our talented technical team is here to help with lighting layouts, quotes, rebate info, and more. Visit www.csc-led.com to learn more.